This is the solution to problem number 17 on worksheet 6.6, day 2. We're given that sine of star equals moon. So in this case, star is the angle. So that's the name of our angle. And sine of star is moon. We can think of that as moon over 1. And sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. That's what sine is. So the opposite side from star is going to be moon, and the hypotenuse is going to be 1. So this is our setup. That's what we're given. Letter A says, what is sine inverse of moon? So that means what angle in the right half of the unit circle would have a sine of moon? And we're given that in the statement here. So sine of star is moon, so that means that this angle is star. The other way to think about this is if we take the sine inverse of the given statement, so sine inverse of sine star is going to be equal to sine inverse of moon. And if we do that, sine inverse of sine star is going to be star, which is equal to sine inverse of moon. So two ways to think about that first problem. Letter B says, what's cosecant of star? So remember, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So cosecant of star is 1 over sine of star. But we're given that sine of star equals to moon. So this is 1 over moon. Letter C says cosecant of sine inverse of moon. Sine inverse of moon we found out in letter A is star. So this is cosecant of star. Cosecant, once again, is 1 over sine. So cosecant of star is 1 over sine star. And sine star is equal to moon. So this is 1 over moon. And letter D is cosine of star. Here we're going to use the right triangle that I drew at the beginning of this problem. So cosine of star, we're going to use this right triangle, and we need to find the third side. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem to find the horizontal side here. So x squared plus moon squared equals 1 squared. So x squared is 1 minus moon squared. And if I take the square root of both sides, x is going to be the square root of 1 minus moon squared. I don't need to consider the negative root here because x is going to be positive. This is in the first quadrant. And so cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse in the right triangle that we drew. So the length of the adjacent side is the square root of 1 minus moon squared. And the hypotenuse in this triangle is 1. So the answer here is the square root of 1 minus moon squared.